Hello, in this video I will be reviewing the FTLM STLM indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator is a type of momentum indicator that shows us the market momentum and consists of two values. One is this red line, which is the FTLM, standing for Fast Trend Line Momentum, indicating the momentum of the fast trend line, or with a shorter period. And the blue histograms, which are the STLM, standing for slow trend.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
Line momentum. When the values of this red line are above the histogram values, we can consider the market momentum as bullish and enter a buy trade. Conversely, when the values of this red line are below the histograms, we can consider the market momentum as bearish and enter a sell trade. We can also use a divergence between the price peaks and the peaks of this indicator, as well as the paths of the price and the paths of this indicator, as a signal to enter a trade. Let's review the settings of this indicator together. There are two options in the settings. The first is for the STLM shift and the second is for the FTLM shift. This shift is to the right and is based on the number of candles. Whatever amount we enter, that number of candles will shift the values of these charts to the right. I should also mention that the calculations of this indicator are based on digital filters. Let's see the live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 5 platform. You can also easily and efficiently use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Let's see the live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.